welcome back to our channel, guys. So today's my birthday and I'm taking you guys to work with me. Come along, guys. Good morning. I wonder whose birthday it is. I wonder. Whatever, James. If you never say anything. So I'm about to put away my lunch. Hi!
Girl, happy birthday!
Hi.
Beautiful today.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you. Yay!
She's all dressed up for a birthday party today.
Yeah, something like that.
Your hair is so nice.
Thank you.
Woo!
Got some plans for tonight?
No?
You hubby?
No?
Oh, you did on the weekend.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it on Saturday.
I like your hair.
Thank you.
Did you get breakfast in bed?
Breakfast in what? I'm hungry right now. I don't have the...
Yeah.
I didn't eat anything.
I want my breakfast.
I didn't eat anything. Wait. This is noise. It's my birthday, guys. You don't know. You guys not being here. You don't have to worry about that part.
Oh, no, I'm gonna sit here. Woo! I'll sit right here in this dangerous chair. Oh, taking. Oh, yeah. Here's she going. Oh, my goodness. Good helping, right? Oh, can you sit in this chair? No? Do you want another chair? I'll get you one. Black chair. Oh, thank you. Yep. There, now we don't get cake all over the floor.
You're becoming a pro.
Yes. Anybody else? I think I'm in the cutting mood.
You're on a roll.
Kathy, what kind do you want?
A
So it's lunchtime, guys. Like a rice and peas. I know it's Sunday, Monday. But I can't respond to everyone. I just want to say big shout out to everybody that took their time out to wish me happy birthday today. Enough love and blessings to all of you guys. Yes, guys, I went and got a massage for my birthday, and now I'm home relaxing. And I decided to show you guys a few of the stuff that Demar had bought. Yes, he comically went out and surprised me. So he started leaving gifts out from Friday, coming up to yesterday. He leave out gifts, so I'm really happy for that. Husband step out this year. But anyways, let me show you guys what he gave me for my birthday this year. First thing first, Ozzy buy a bag. Ozzy went and buy a bag. Look at that. It wasn't cheap. But yes, he bought that bag for me, which I really appreciate. He bought something really sexy in this. I won't reveal it. And he also bought like a makeup care set from that company. He bought me sneakers, and he also got this collage of pictures, which I really love. I'm gonna take out that one and that one and that one. Yes, but yes, I love it, so I will be putting it in my room. And yeah, so that's part of it. We also went out on the Saturday night, so I didn't celebrate it. I didn't do any celebration today because it's Monday, and in Grand Prairie there is nothing much to do on a Saturday night, weeknight. So I decided to celebrate it from Saturday. So here's a few little clips of me being out on that Saturday night. Here we go. So yes, guys, that is how I spent my birthday. And if you're watching this video right now on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, we'll be going live with the person that we chose to get the charity GoFundMe that we did. Hey guys. Yes, so we'll be going live tomorrow with Denise, and we'll hear a little about her story, and you'll hear why I chose her for the person to get to get the donation. I don't know. You're coming. I don't know why you laugh. But yes, guys, thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end.
Hey guys, just in case you guys missed it, it was Nat's birthday. Did you tell him that?
Yes, they know that it was my birthday. They see it throughout
so
the
if
video.
you haven't already told her happy birthday, it's not too late to throw it in the comment section to just say happy birthday. Happy 34, looking like 16 years old.
Yes. 16.
You know, I think. Yeah, just grateful that my wife is able to celebrate another birthday. That I am able to celebrate another birthday with my wife. And cheers to many more.
Many more.
What am I drink? Oh, I drink up Malaya juice. But yeah.
Yeah.
So what else you want to tell the persons who have donated to the GoFundMe?
Thank you. I planned on giving a shout out to everybody in the live tomorrow, which yes, big thank you to everybody that have shared the GoFundMe link and talk about it. Talk about it, and who has donated and everything. We have raised how much?
Almost $500.
Yes, almost $500, and I'm really grateful that we're able to raise that amount to be given to someone.
100%.
Yes.
And Denise is such a deserving winner. She has been a subscriber for a while. But even without her being a subscriber, she is on her own Canadian journey. She's an aspiring international student in Canada. And she has a 15-year-old autistic son. And of course, guys, we know how tough it can be having a special needs child, right? And she has done it. She's doing it on her own. She's a single mother. And to be able to raise a child in Jamaica is tough by itself, by your own, let alone a special needs child. So we believe that Denise is very deserving. And yeah, again, just regurgitating and just going over some of the stuff that Nat said already. Huge thank you to all the persons who have donated, persons who have shared the GoFundMe, and persons just who send positive energy and thoughts.
Yep.
We really appreciate it just the same. And we just want to say, oh, thank you. This is one of the best birthday gifts for us.
Best birthday gift. Trust me, it has been the best birthday gift.
Absolutely. So we're going to be going live tomorrow with Denise. Denise, if you're watching this, prepare yourself. Prepare yourself.
Pretty up everything. If you need to do all of that, do that and come.
But yeah, you try to outdo Denise with the prettiness.
No,
like
no.
Pretty labels.
I know I'm a beautiful girl. I'm beautiful.
But yeah, I don't know. All them come out on that video.
All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching to the end. See you in the next vlog.